Do you need to create a flyer, a poster, perhaps for a party, a sale, instantly and don't have budgets to go and probably hire someone to do it for you? Well, AI is here to save you. CapCut has a great text to image AI function on their website that would help you generate a poster in seconds. So head over to CapCut.com, and if you have an account, quickly sign in. If you don't have an account, then you'd have to create one. So after you're done creating your account, of course, you'd have to sign in and look to the left side of your screen. You see Magic Tools. So click on Magic Tools, and on the top bottom of your screen, on the top side of your screen, you would see Create with AI. So click on the Create with AI button to display all the Create with AI tools available on the CapCut website. So now select Text to Design, Text to Design, to open the AI image editor. So now that we are on the Text to Design page, here is where all the magic happens. You have to input your script for the particular design that you want to create into the text box. So describe exactly what you need. There are a few prompts you can try to generate it with AI, or say just test it out. So if you're not sure of what exactly you want to do, well, I don't know why you're not sure of the exact design that you want to do, but just in case you're not too sure about the design that you want to do, you can click on the various suggestions, play around with it till you get your desired results. For this purpose, I would actually suggest that you script exactly what you would want to have in your design. So I have my pretext. Well, this is not real, but then it's for a summer school session in Faith Montessori. So it says, enroll now, summer school session in Faith Montessori, $100 per child, call 0000000 to register. It also has some extra information on the supposed school's social media channels. Once I've inputted the description of my design into the text box, then I would have to hit generate. So input the text and hit generate, and just wait for AI to do its work. So yeah, this is a very, very great way of creating designs. It will create the design for you and break it down in elements. Still have very editable elements that you can still play around. So as you can see on the screen, the AI has generated a few designs for me, which I can select and edit the one of my choice. So I think I would go with this one. So I click on it and I can edit it. So yeah, this is a quick and simple way to create a design with an AI tool. Now mind you, it might not be too perfect, but yes, you have something to work with. So yes, you can play around with it. Yeah, we initially selected this, but I think I'll try something else. So go through all the results that the AI has generated for you, pick your desired one and edit it. And yeah, you can now, once you're done editing, if you're satisfied with the edit or you want to make any changes, you can still go ahead and change any of the elements, because if you want to change an image, you can go ahead. If you want to add your own image, you can also do that. But once you're done with all the needed editing and you're satisfied with the design that you have, then you can quickly download it by hitting the download button on the top of your screen, and yeah, you have your design. So yes, in these simple steps, you can get your design or poster done in minutes. That is if you don't have the budget to pay someone like myself or Vivo Van Leer to do a professional work for you. Check it out, play around with it. It might not be perfect, like I said, but at least it gets the work